If you want to shoot 4K video on your Android and DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal, keep watching. I'll explain just that, how to do it with Filmic Pro app. And for those who are watching my channel first time, my name is Zdenka Darula. I make tutorials and fun vlogs, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Well, we are getting winter months here in Canada, so I'm kind of enjoying summer through my memories. When I was back in Czech Republic and Slovakia, where I was filming lots on my phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S6, and gimbal DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Well, here's everything I was doing to get the results. One quick tip before we get into Filmic Pro app. To save your battery on your phone, it is the best to turn on the airplane mode. Your Bluetooth will work, not to worry. Especially if you are traveling, your roaming will eat up your battery, so just turn on the airplane mode. Well, some of you might be thinking, why is she using Filmic Pro app? Well, DJI Go app offers this resolution, and if you are very serious about those crispy, beautiful shots in 4K where you can control everything, you will need another app, and in my case it is Filmic Pro app, and I can honestly say it is worth it. My phone is Samsung Galaxy S6, so let's get going and let me show you the setup. I'm going to open up the application, hit Settings, Resolution, and select 16:9. And I like to keep it there. If you want to do letterbox, you simply want to do it in a post-production because you just never know what you might use the clip for in the future. Below, select 4K size, 2160, and Filmic Extreme Quality. Next, you will need to choose a frame rate. When you just shoot a normal speed video, choose capture at 24 frames a second and playback at 24 frames a second as well. Now, if you want to shoot slow motion, you are not going to be able to get that in 4K. You have to bring the resolution down all the way to HD 720p. Then you can go back to frame rate and select 120 as your capture. Once you are done, go to presets and select save current values to preset. Done. Now, every time you are going to open up the app, you don't have to go through all the steps again. Just hit the presets and select your saved preset. You can save as many as you like. To use your DJI Osmo Mobile 2 hardware, select DJI Osmo Mobile to enable your gimbal. In my case, it's DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Let's see how we can all use it together. Your zoom button on a gimbal will no longer work as your zoom button. And you don't want to use your zoom anyways, because the more you zoom in, it will drastically decrease the quality of your video, as it is digital zoom, not optical zoom. That control button will now allow you to switch between 3 modes we have here. Let's look at mode 1. Simply push down zoom button. Here you can pan and tilt with your joystick. Push down zoom button again to get to mode 2. Here we can lock and unlock exposure and focus with joystick. Moving joystick left will lock exposure. Moving joystick left again will unlock exposure. Moving joystick right will lock focus, and moving joystick right again will unlock focus. Let's push the zoom button down one more time. Now we are in mode 3. When you move joystick up and down, you can set focus here. By moving joystick left and right, you will adjust exposure. And if you feel that your joystick is way too fast or way too slow, you can adjust the speed with small sliders, which you will find on the left and on the right. M button will switch between free mode and follow mode. When the light is green, you are in free mode. Hit the M button. When the light is yellow, you are in follow mode. So that's it for today's video when it comes to using DJI Osmo Mobile 2 and Android phone with Filmic Pro app. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. I read them all and respond to everybody. And I'll see you next time again. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ahoy.